Time is 7:39. Welcome back to Good Day Atlanta. And today is a record breaker. It marks the longest running bull market in U.S. history. But what does that mean for us? Well, the Fox 5 I-Team's Dana Fowle says it means a lot.
It actually does. And I'm glad I got to talk to somebody about this because I wasn't actually sure myself. But I have a 401k. A lot of us do. But honestly, I don't know that much about stocks and investing. But as she said, the market impacts all of us, whether you know about it or not. So we should know a few things. Let's take a look at the day. According to the Wall Street Journal, today marks 3,453 days since the S&P 500 hit a low. That was back in March 2009. Since then, the market has just kept climbing, which means your retirement accounts are building. That's a good thing. Lisa Brown is a financial planner and tells us what's been happening.
The stock market has gone up for about 10 years now without having a significant downturn called a bear market, which is typically defined as a 20% drop or more in the stock market.
Now, what's so unusual is that these great markets usually only last about 5 years before they cool off again, she says, for another 2 or 3 years. And it's a cycle. So, you know, we've been lucky, but it's kind of like an earthquake. We're overdue now, way overdue. And here's how you can protect yourself. If you're in your 20s and 30s, Lisa Brown recommends you keep 80 to 90% in the stock market. You still keep it there. And when the market drops, you buy more. Great prices. Now, if you're in your 40s or 50s, you got to lower that stock investment because you can't take the hit so much. Lower that to about 70%, she says, but save more money. I'm going to say it again. Save more money. And if you're in your 60s or 70s, this is where you got to be careful. If you have big stock portfolios and the market sinks, so will that portfolio to the tune of 30 to 40%. And that's the kind of thing that can then delay retirement or give it a big punch. Okay. If you aren't sure how to do this and you have a 401k, often it's managed by a company that'll help you make those choices, or they'll have some sort of online option. And you should explore that. Just log into your account and poke around the site a little bit.
Yeah, worth taking a look at, definitely. Yeah. So when is a peak expected, Dana?
Who knows? And I did a whole lot of reading on this yesterday and saw a lot of folks who said it's wrapping up. And I said a lot of folks who said it's not over yet. But what you can do is get your 401k ready for any eventuality.
You know, it helps. That's peace of mind, right?
It is. It is. I mean, this is all kind of new information to me. This is, you know, not my area of expertise. So I enjoyed learning about this too and passing it on. And let's protect our 401ks.
Yeah, and it's confusing for me, and I know many people, so it helps that you are passing along this info, telling us what to do.
And thanks to Lisa Brown, she tends to pick up the phone and go, "Do you know this?" I'm like, "I don't."
Yeah, it helps. It really does. All right, Dana, thank you.